The FlexVertex Information Hierarchy is comprised of three main levels: domains, nexuses, and schemas. In this video, we'll explore the highest levels. Domains. There are multiple ways to set up your hierarchy, and there are several reasons why it's important to give some thought to how you want to structure it. To begin, it's closely related to our extremely fine-grained LDAP-style security system, so its layout will influence the job of creating users, granting them permissions, and so on. Secondly, your design decision here will affect how you write not only the initial application, but any subsequent systems too. With that said, it's rather straightforward to come up with an optimal design. Let's start by assigning FlexVertex developers into two primary categories. The first group are building applications for a single enterprise, while the second are constructing applications meant to be shared in a software-as-a-service deployment. If you're writing applications for a single enterprise, you may be able to organize everything with a single domain. This is a straightforward architecture. In this diagram, you can see a single organization that is deploying a unified information hierarchy meant to service numerous applications, with nexuses at the departmental level. We're examining the schemas that exist under a single nexus, but you could obviously have them spread throughout your organization. On the other hand, let's look at developers creating a software-as-a-service solution. Rather than being an afterthought, multi-tenancy is a core FlexVertex capability, so it's a great idea to incorporate it into your architecture from the beginning. This means that if your software-as-a-service application must serve multiple customers, it's wise to assign each customer their own domain. This is the most secure yet flexible approach. For example, imagine you're designing a financial services package meant to serve different organizations. As the diagram shows, there are two customers, each with their own separate, isolated, and secure domain. What's important to note is that FlexVertex gives you, and your customers, the freedom to design your nexuses and schema as you see fit. We described the entire FlexVertex information hierarchy in other videos, so remember to subscribe to this channel to be notified whenever a new tutorial is released.